Similarly, non-governmental organizations and individuals providing aid to flood victims must do so through the State Disaster Management Committee. Women, Family and Community Development Minister Datuk Sri Nancy Shukri said this was important to ensure smooth disaster management and efficient aid distribution, especially in areas cut off by floods.
Our own people nak masuk susah, and then even NGO wants to come in. Jadi tadi Sibuti sudah ada baru masuk lagi, pertambahan ada. Cuma even lori askar pun tak dapat masuk. So they were just baru dapat masang tent. Tadi nak masukkan tent pun susah because tent si dapat masuk. That's the only problem that we have lah.
Speaking after visiting the temporary relief centre at Dewan Haji Kamaruddin, Kampung Segedup on Thursday, she also stressed that the ministry, through the Social Welfare Department, must ensure all flood victims are registered as each affected family is entitled to 1,000 ringgit in aid, and this information needs to be communicated to them.
Tapi tidaklah dapat hari ini saya cakap besok dapat, tidak. It has to be bila didaftar dahulu, lepas itu mereka akan menjalankan siasatan dululah.
She added that the department is also responsible for ensuring PPS facilities remain in feasible condition and comfortable for flood victims.